Hey up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you all had an extremely good Christmas and I hope you got all the car parts you wanted. Today I'm just going to be giving you a walk around stuff that I've done to the car. I did film it, but I've got a new camera which is looking nice, and it didn't sound the greatest, so I'm just re-recording it. We'll go have a look at it now. We'll talk through some other things that I've tried doing over the Christmas period and then the plans for the channel for 2019. Okay, so we'll give the car a bit of a Christmas bath. It's looking nice and shiny, and as I mentioned, we'd put the Maxton spoiler extension on, which I think looks quite nice, to be fair. Quite subtle. It's got this lovely little indent here which for some reason makes it look really nice from my perspective anyway. As you can see, it's a bit of a flick. It wasn't too bad to put on. All we had to do was put some alcohol rub on here, make sure it was all nice and clean and dry. There's some 3M tape under here as well, so we hair dried it and made sure it's stuck down. It's pretty solid at the moment. And this is something which my girlfriend got me for Christmas, so happy days. But yeah, it's looking good. So the other thing that I tried to do was to put a rhino lip just under here, but unfortunately the one that I'd got, the adhesive wasn't great. It didn't look the best, and also underneath the car is extremely wet, as you can see, so that wasn't something that we did, but it gives me an excuse and a reason not to get one of them and to get a splitter instead. So not too much has gone on with the car since you last saw it, just the spoiler extension, the new camera, and also the failed attempt at putting a rubber splitter on. But I'm going to dip inside because it's fairly cold. We're going to talk about what's going to happen to the channel in 2019 and just share some news with you. Okay, so before I start going through the plans for 2019, I just want to shout out Asda for this trifle. I mean, it looks a mess, but my god, it is so nice. And it's just that time of the year, isn't it, where you just eat a load and just lay about and drink loads. I must say, I've probably drunk twice my body weight since Christmas Day, which isn't good. Plans for 2019 then. So to round out this year, I've got a couple of videos coming up, which one of them is a review of a Stage 2 Golf R, which is 406 brake horsepower, I think. And I've also got a new GoPro as well, so I'll be able to do some point of view driving, some point of view things, and just a bit more variation in terms of the shots and things like that. Moving into 2019 then, I want to get a lot of cars on the channel to review, so not just VAG cars. I want to get BMWs, Mercedes, some supercars if possible. I might be pushing the boat out a little bit there, but we'll see. Just anything wacky and wild and things like that. Just to give you guys perspective on what other people are doing with their cars, what they're doing with their builds, and some things that people might dislike or like. Things that are outside of the box. Some people might look at it and think, just let's just do it, let's just see what happens. And of course, if you are somebody with a car like that, or you know somebody with one that might like to be featured, then please get them to contact me on the email that's down in the description box below. We'll get together for a couple of hours, we'll have a laugh, we'll have a bit of a chat about your car, and then we'll see what we get from it. So thank you for everybody who supported the channel this year. It's been really nice to see the positive comments. Of course, you can't please everybody, and there are a couple of people who put negative comments on, but I'm not bothered. If you don't like it, then you know where to go, probably this way or that way to a different video. Thank you for everybody that's subscribed, and thank you for all of the support. It's really, really appreciated. I've wanted to do YouTube for a fair amount of time now, but I didn't think I had the confidence or the personality or just an interesting life like you see most people. But let's just do it. Let's smash it for 2019. Let me know if you've got any cars that you'd like me to review. And of course, if you want to keep on supporting the channel, then click subscribe, click like, leave a comment. Just comment things that you guys want to see. Obviously, I want to please the audience, for the majority if you can, and I know it's impossible, but let me know what you guys want to see. I'm always up for doing different videos. I'm going to be doing a lot of car shows and things like that, so hopefully I'll come across quite a few people with some wacky cars. But yeah, leave your ideas down below. As I mentioned, subscribe if you want to keep on supporting me. Have a fantastic new year and don't drink too much, and I'll see you then.